We are back. Namaste, everyone. Namaste. Today is yoga. All right? So I'm going to start off nice and easy in the middle of my mat, bending the knees with a forward fold. You have 1 minute. Hang in there. Ready? Here we go. Forward fold. Breathe in and breathe out. You can bend the knees, please. You can hold on to your ankles, your shins, the knees, or the tops of the feet or the mat. You can try to straighten your legs or not. But when you're in a forward fold, try to pull your belly in, okay? And take some deep breaths in and out. Inhale and exhale. Say yes, yes. I want everything to go back to normal. Say no, no, I don't want to wear my masks anymore. Exhale. You've got 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the biggest breath you can. Bend the knees, please. Exhale as you roll through the spine, dragging your arms along with you like a little rag doll. Okay, now side bending, feet are hip distance. You're gonna side bend. 1 minute, side to side. Okay, so you can stay here with like one arm over, one arm down, or single arm, okay? Or you can go both arms up. It depends on what you wanna do. You can actually put the palms together. Just try to stay hugging your ears, okay? Your arms are gonna wanna come forward. Just try to keep them nice and open. You're doing great. Come as far as you can. Keep your feet firmly planted on the mat. Oh, you're doing great. Let me see, I was gonna say 30 seconds in. That was 40 seconds. 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, feels so good. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, guys, next we have plank to pike. Here we go, 1 minute. Inhale, plank, and exhale, pike. Inhale, looking ahead. Exhale, pike, look down. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, and exhale. Good, go to the balls of the feet, looking ahead. Exhale, looking down through the heels. Inhale, and exhale, you're halfway. Smelling the roses, squeeze your legs, squeeze your bum, pull back up to the pike. Inhale, and exhale, you're great. How about 5 more? Nice and slow. 4, doing great. 3, plank to pike. 2, good. Last one, plank to pike, which is actually down dog in yoga. Stay in down dog, please. And then you're just gonna walk the dog. So alternate bending those knees. Should feel really, really nice. Great job, guys. Just pressing the palms firmly, walking the dog. Okay, now, plank to pike. We have, let me see, chaturanga. So chaturanga is when you go high plank to low plank, and then you come back to up dog and back up to the pike or the down dog. We're gonna try that 10 times, okay? Shake it out. Here we go. Inhale, plank. So you're high plank. You're gonna roll forward, push up, down. Breathe in, go to the up dog. Okay, and then exhale, scoop down dog. 9 more, inhale. Exhale. Breathe in, press to lift. And exhale, scoop back down. 8 more, inhale. Roll forward to an exhale. Good job. Can you see me? I'm going to press to lift and scoop it back. 7, plank, low plank, up dog, and scoop down dog. 6, breathing out, breathing in, scoop the belly, breathe out. 5, breathe out, breathe in, lift, exhale. Great job. 4, inhale, exhale, lower down, inhale, press to lift. Great job, shoulders back, exhale. 4, did I just say 4? Oh no. Press to lift, that's okay, I'll do 1 more. Scoop to come back, 3. I know this is 3 anyways. We did not do 3. Woo. Shoulders back. 2 more. Chaturanga. High plank, low plank. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, scoop down dog. 1 more. High plank, low plank. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, scoop down dog. We're going right to forearm plank from here. 1 minute. Breathing and exhaling. You guys are doing great. Smelling, inhaling, and breathing and exhaling. Good. Breathe in. Try to see if you can squeeze your bum, squeeze your legs. Exhale. Whew. Inhale and exhale. Good. Breathe in and breathe out. You're doing great. Inhale and exhale. 20 seconds. Smelling, breathing, smelling, breathing, smelling, breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Okay, now we're gonna stand up for these last exercises. Warrior 1, so right foot forward, left leg back, left heel planted. Your hips are gonna wanna fold and steer left. So warrior 1, you're gonna push that right knee out a little bit, right? And you're gonna try to pull your stomach in and get all the way so your hips are forward. That's warrior 1. It's a huge hip opener. Now, for the